Hey, fellow YouTubers, greeting in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I want to wish everyone a blessed 2021, and for those who have lost loved ones in 2020 to the COVID-19, my sympathies goes out to you and your family. Today we are working on a 2010 Dodge Journey SXT with the V6 3.5 liter. Have a trouble code P0522, engine oil pressure circuit low voltage. I'm just going to show you the location of the oil pressure sensor. Already remove the plenum, and for some of the models they will find the oil pressure switch down here, but for this one it's not here. So on the passenger side I have removed the wheel, and if we can look closely there, we have the oil filter, harmonic balancer. But if you look right here, that's where the oil pressure switch is located, and we have a little red tab. Squeeze down and pull out, and there we go, the oil pressure switch. Alright, as I had said before that I have removed the plenum. You don't have to remove the plenum or the intake manifold to get to this oil switch. I am doing the EGR valve. I'm cleaning the EGR valve. So what you'll need to pull this is a 1 and 1/16 oil pressure switch socket, which is this. It's not like the ordinary sockets that you would use. You have to get this. I got this at O'Reilly's for about $6 or $7 thereabout, and this is the old switch that I have removed. So I have already inserted the new one there, so hopefully this will solve my problem and clear the code P0522. Thank you for watching, and be good to your neighbors. Your neighbors is anyone who is beside you. God bless. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.